In the bustling streets of South Korea, amidst the myriad of tantalizing street food options, there lies a humble yet incredibly popular stall known for its delectable boiled corn. This isn't just any ordinary corn stall. It's a marvel of mass production, selling an astonishing 5,000 corns every day. The process behind this phenomenal operation is both fascinating and intricate, a testament to the dedication and hard work of the vendors. This narrative delves into the behind-the-scenes of this boiled corn mass production process, showcasing the journey from kernel to cob and ultimately to the hands of eager customers. The day begins long before the sun rises, in the vast cornfields where the freshest corn is carefully selected and harvested. The selection process is crucial. Only the juiciest, most succulent cobs make the cut. This ensures that the final product not only meets but exceeds customer expectations. Once harvested, the corn is transported to the preparation site, marking the beginning of its transformation. Upon arrival, the corn undergoes a meticulous cleaning process. Each cob is thoroughly washed to remove any dirt or impurities, ensuring that what follows is nothing short of perfection. This step is essential as it guarantees the purity and natural taste of the corn, setting the foundation for the delicious final product. Next comes the boiling process, the heart of the operation. The preparation site houses a massive boiling setup, capable of cooking hundreds of cobs at a time. This isn't your average kitchen boil. It's a carefully calibrated process that involves monitoring the temperature and timing to ensure each cob is cooked to perfection. The water is seasoned with a blend of secret ingredients, which infuses the corn with a unique flavor that has become the hallmark of this street food stall. The boiling process not only cooks the corn, but also locks in its natural sweetness, enhancing its taste manifold. Once boiled to perfection, the corn is then transferred to a cooling area. Here, it's allowed to rest, ensuring that the texture remains just right, not too soft, not too firm. This step is crucial as it affects the overall eating experience. The cooling process also makes the corn easier to handle in the subsequent steps, particularly during the peeling phase. Peeling the corn is an art in itself. Skilled workers swiftly remove the husks and silk, revealing the golden yellow kernels beneath. This step is performed with precision and care, ensuring that each cob is clean and ready for consumption. The peeled corn is then subjected to a final quality check, where any subpar cobs are removed from the batch. This meticulous attention to detail is what sets this operation apart, ensuring that only the best of the best reaches the customers. The final step before the corn makes its way to the street stall is packaging. Each cob is individually wrapped, making it convenient for customers to enjoy on the go. This not only preserves the freshness of the corn, but also maintains its warmth, ensuring that customers get to experience the boiled corn at its best. As the day progresses, the street stall comes to life, with the aroma of freshly boiled corn wafting through the air, drawing in crowds. The vendor, with years of experience, serves each customer with a smile, efficiently handling the high demand. The sight of the massive pots still bubbling with the day's batch adds to the allure, making it an irresistible stop for anyone passing by. Customers have the option to enjoy their corn seasoned with a variety of toppings. From the classic butter and salt to more adventurous options like cheese powder and spicy seasoning, there's something for every palate. This customization adds another layer of appeal to the already delicious corn, making it a versatile snack that caters to a wide range of tastes. The success of this operation isn't just in the numbers, it's in the smiles of satisfied customers.